Hello friends! Today we are again with another interesting topic, that is adjectives. Adjectives are simply characteristics. To make it more interesting, let's start with a riddle. This is a brain teaser riddle. You will have to scratch your brains to answer this question. The question is, 2 fathers and 2 sons sat down for dinner. They ate exactly 3 pieces of bread. Yet they all had a slice each. How? You've got 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Sorry, it's blank. To see the answer, do watch the video till end, because I'll tell you the answer at the end of this video. Now let's move to adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. Adjectives tell us more about nouns or they describe nouns. They tell us more about the noun's shape, size, color, number, quality, quantity, etc. Or we can simply say that they tell us everything about the noun. For example, the girl is very happy. In this example, happy is the adjective or describing word which is describing the noun girl. Next example, Rohan is a nice boy. Here, nice is the adjective. Can you tell me that nice is describing which noun, Rohan or boy? Comment down below. Next example, there are 6 apples in the basket. Here, 6 is the adjective or 6 is the describing word and it is describing the noun apples. Let us warm up and wrap up our learning with an exercise. Pick the words from the box and fill in the blanks. The words are pink, 2 and fat. Our first sentence is, this is a dash cow. 5 seconds to think its answer. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time's up. The answer will be fat, because a cow can't be pink and cow is a singular noun, so 2 will not fit here. Next, she is wearing a dash frock. 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The answer will be pink. We were left with 2 options, pink and 2. 2 will again not fit here because frock is a singular noun. Next, the boy has dash balloons. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The answer will be 2. We were left with 2 only, and as balloons is a plural noun, so 2 will also fit here. Now let us discuss the different types of adjectives. There are total 6 types of adjectives. The basic ones are adjectives of quality, quantity and number. The advanced ones are demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. In this video, we'll cover the basic ones, the first 3, And in our next video, the part 2 of this video, we'll cover the advanced ones, the last 3. Let us start with adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is an adjective that tells us about the kind of a noun. Or it tells us mainly about the noun's shape, size, color, or simply physical features. One key which will help you a lot is that it answers the question what kind of. For example, big, good, tiny, etc. Let's use them in a sentence. Good. Rohan is a good boy. Next, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is an adjective that tells us about the quantity of a noun. In our opinion, in other words, we can say that adjective of quantity tell us the approximate amount of a noun. The key point, it answers the question how much. Example, some, much, enough, few, etc. Let's use them in a sentence. Some. Some children are standing over there. Next, adjectives of number. Adjective of number is an adjective that tells us more about the number of nouns. Key, it answers the question how many. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. So, adjective of quantity and adjective of number are not the same. That's because adjective of quantity tells us the approximate amount of a noun and adjective of number tells us the specified amount of noun. If there are 3 apples in the basket, then it's adjective of number. But if there are few apples in the basket, then it's adjective of quantity. It still depends upon its usage in a sentence. Now let's discuss ordinal adjectives. Adjectives like 5th, 6th, 9th, etc. are also called adjectives of number. But actually they are called ordinal adjectives. They show the order or position of a person or thing. But what's the difference between ordinal adjectives and adjectives of number? The difference is that ordinal adjectives tell us about the position of a noun. But adjectives of number tell us about the number of noun or how many nouns are present there. One important point to note. Some adjectives may be both adjective of quantity and adjective of number. But it depends upon the usage in a sentence. Let's take 2 examples. First, I have enough work for the day. In this sentence, enough tells us how much work. So, it is an adjective of quantity. Next sentence, I have read enough stories over the weekend. In this sentence, enough tells us how many stories we have read over the weekend. So it is an adjective of number. I hope you have understood. And here is the answer of the riddle. I hope you have understood adjectives and its basic types well. For more such videos, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you. Happy learning.